Welcome to the first module of our course, where we dive into the exciting world of Python and data science. In this module, we'll lay the groundwork for your journey. We'll start with setting up Python for data science, ensuring you have the right tools at your fingertips. Next, we'll explore the basics of Python, including variables, data types, and functions. Understanding these concepts is crucial, as they form the foundation for more complex data manipulation and analysis. Finally, we'll introduce you to Jupyter Notebooks, a powerful tool that makes coding interactive and engaging. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of Python basics and be ready to tackle data manipulation with confidence. Let's get started. In this lesson, we'll guide you through the process of setting up Python for your data science projects. First, we'll discuss the installation of Python and popular distribution platforms like Anaconda, which simplifies package management and deployment. We'll also cover essential libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which are fundamental for data manipulation and visualization. Additionally, we'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebooks, allowing you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a fully functional Python environment, ready for data science exploration. Now that your environment is set up, let's dive into the basics of Python. In this lesson, we'll cover variables, data types, and functions. You'll learn how to declare variables and understand the different data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. We'll provide practical examples to illustrate how you can manipulate these data types effectively. Furthermore, we'll explore functions, how to define them, pass arguments, and return values. Functions are essential for organizing your code and making it reusable. By the end of this lesson, you'll be comfortable with the foundational elements of Python, setting you up for success in data manipulation. Welcome to the world of Jupyter Notebooks. In this lesson, we'll introduce you to this interactive coding environment that is widely used in data science. You'll learn how to create, edit, and run notebooks, which allow you to combine code execution, rich text, and visualizations in one place. We'll explore how to create markdown cells for documentation and how to use code cells to write and execute Python code. Jupyter Notebooks are perfect for data analysis, as they enable you to visualize your data and results seamlessly. By the end of this lesson, you'll appreciate the power of Jupyter Notebooks and be ready to apply them in your data science projects. In Module 2, we'll focus on data manipulation using Pandas, a powerful library for data analysis in Python. This module is crucial for transforming raw data into a format that can be analyzed. We'll start with the basics of working with data frames and series, which are the core data structures in Pandas. You'll learn how to load data from various sources, inspect your data, and perform basic operations. Next, we'll dive into cleaning and preprocessing data, covering techniques to handle missing values, duplicates, and data types. Finally, we'll explore advanced Pandas techniques, enabling you to perform complex data transformations. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped to manipulate and prepare data for analysis effectively. Let's kick off our exploration of Pandas by understanding data frames and series. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create and manipulate these core data structures. We'll start by loading a dataset into a data frame and inspecting its contents. You'll discover how to access specific rows and columns, filter data, and perform basic statistical operations. We'll also demonstrate how to create series from lists and dictionaries, allowing you to organize your data efficiently. With practical examples using real-world datasets, you'll see how Pandas makes data manipulation intuitive and powerful. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to harness the full potential of data frames and series in your data analysis. Data is often messy, and cleaning it is a vital step in any data analysis process. In this lesson, we'll focus on cleaning and preprocessing data using Pandas. We'll cover techniques for identifying and handling missing values, including imputation and removal. You'll learn how to deal with duplicates and ensure your data types are correct for analysis. We'll also explore how to filter data based on specific conditions and how to apply transformations to your data. With hands-on exercises using real datasets, you'll gain practical experience in preparing your data for analysis. By the end of this lesson, you'll be equipped with the skills to clean and pre-process data effectively. Now that you're comfortable with the basics of Pandas, let's dive into some advanced techniques. In this lesson, we'll explore methods for merging and joining data frames, allowing you to combine datasets seamlessly. You'll learn about group B operations, which enable you to aggregate and analyze data based on specific categories. We'll also cover pivot tables, a powerful tool for summarizing data. Additionally, we'll demonstrate how to apply functions to your data frames using the apply method, enhancing your data manipulation capabilities. With practical examples and exercises, you'll solidify your understanding of advanced Pandas techniques, empowering you to tackle complex data analysis tasks with confidence. In Module 3, we'll shift our focus to data visualization, an essential aspect of data science that helps convey insights effectively. We'll start with an introduction to plotting using Matplotlib, the foundational library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. You'll learn how to create various types of plots, including line graphs, bar charts, and scatter plots. Next, we'll introduce Seaborn, a statistical data visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. You'll discover how Seaborn simplifies the process of creating beautiful and informative visualizations. By the end of this module, you'll be able to visualize your data compellingly, making your findings easier to understand and share. Let's begin our journey into data visualization with an introduction to plotting using Matplotlib. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create your first plots, starting with simple line graphs. We'll guide you through the process of setting up your plot, customizing axes, and adding labels and titles to enhance clarity. You'll discover how to visualize trends and patterns in your data effectively. We'll also cover how to save your plots as images for presentations or reports. With hands-on coding examples, you'll gain practical experience in creating visualizations that tell a story. By the end of this lesson, you'll be ready to create your own plots and visualize your data.